Hey YouTube, I received a phone call from Craig the other day saying that the new pulley was ready, and I think it's only fair that I include a couple of his build photos. So moving right along, it's time to cut out this mesh and replace this original part with the pulley. Some much needed goodies arrived. It held for a second, but it really was wishful thinking. I didn't expect it to work, but I had to give it a try. The duck just walked across the road and then just walked back again. I have no idea why. So, until I can work out a workable plan B, I needed to move on to something else. I had already pulled the first one apart the hard way. That's how I discovered the easy way of doing it. I wasn't expecting them to come with this plastic cover, but I'm really glad they did, because once that goes into there and I run a bead of weld around here and around here, it's going to keep any welding splatter from getting onto the to the machine part. I will be chopping some off here, making them a lot shorter, so that basically sits in there like that. And I'll also be turning a little bit off the bottom here, or I'll just get a grinder, make a little bit of a recess so it sits in the hole, makes it nice for me to weld. First it seemed to cut reasonably well, and then all of a sudden, once it got in about 10mm, it just seemed to stop cutting, so I don't really know what was going on there. I persevered for about another 10 minutes before deciding that I had to try a different method. At first I thought I might take it to a local metal shop and get them to cut it on a bandsaw. Then I remembered I have 1mm cut-off discs for the disc grinder, so I tried it. And that made short work of the problem. Realising that I was having no success with the first one, I decided just to mark the second one. All of a sudden a plan B dawned on me. Instead of trying to attach it to a spinning pulley, why don't I just make a flat plate that can go on the top of the shroud? Ow, that hurt. Suck it up, princess. Got myself again. Damn, that hurt that time.